Happy Wednesday, happy trading. Nothing I'd rather be doing than trading these markets. Let's go to our first trade, C. C kind of hurt. It's the first trade of the day. If you look at it, we were looking at a narrow state. $20 was close to the 200. We had a full block here, all green, and then it erased on us. And then it took us out. So we got out. Looks like that opened actually at a 1, 2, 3. And since it's a 3, you play it down. And you can see it more obviously on the 5-minute. Play it down. And you played it down like this, and you would have had a nice little move. We didn't, so we lost on that trade. That would have been a nice trade to go out on. You keep moving, keep moving. Do you get another opportunity? It's 11 o'clock. Only taking serious positions. That's flat. You might want to take this one right here. Clearing. It's been below the 20 for a while. A bar cleared. You sell, set the stop, write it down. Color change, write it down. Color change, color change. We took this color change and we took it all the way to the previous day's close right here. But 14's back. It's usually a shift in momentum. In this instance, it went up on us. We decided to take this tail bar. We figured it's off of a previous support level. Crashed out on us immediately, got out. And then from there it was into the day. Although you could have, in a sense, took last 30 minutes of the day. The last 30 minutes. Color change, play it down. Next, we took JPM. We're only going to go over the beginning of JPM because it's not really something we usually get into. It's too pricey for our blood, but it stood for the moment. Fab 4. Green bar, position 1, position 2, solid green bar, bought into it, got out, took the profit. It went up, down after that, but we got out and took a profit real quick. it was just an expensive stock for us. Intel. Fab 4. Wrong color. Bear 180. Buy it. Really buy it probably pre. Set the stop. Could have got out there, seen the whale already transpire. But if you didn't, this didn't really go up. And you would know it's quick because look how far away this is from the 200 on the 5. So it's not going to be a sustaining move. Is there any other move we could have made? We tried to take this move right here, a bear 180, which had we used that same logic that it couldn't move too far up, we would have said, hey, bear 180 is not going to go too far up either. Might as well play it down. But at the time, we weren't thinking that too far in advance. So we took it, got out right here, and it went down on us. Now, they're getting close, so it might be a reset. Maybe that's clearing. That's at least clears that. Position of power. Ride that up. Ride that up. Ride that up to here. This would have been the better move right here. Off of the flat surface. Got that move right there. And 11 o'clock break time. Unless you get a real move. You could look at that as, hey, maybe we should take it, but 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to take it. Went down. Flat state. Is this a clearing bar? Maybe. Set to stop. Nope, doesn't look like it. Was this a clearing bar? Looks like it. Stop. Color change. Color change. Color change. Rode that up. We tried to do a color change here. This is way too late. There's the end of that. Next is Merck. Fab 4. got nothing. You can wait for it. Narrow state. Anything that happens off of it. We did a sell here. The reason being, we saw this. We were thinking it was in a zone going back and forth because of this being flat. And we got that nice trade off there. This would have been a breakout after that zone right there. It chose a direction. It broke out. Sell, set to stop, let it ride. This too far away, has to come back home, takes out this, play it up. Looks like after we played it up, position of power. You could still have a color change, even though this is a neutral bar, it's a color change. Let it go down. Right here, we get a tail bar. We play tail bars. Set to stop. Two bar stop. Color change. We try to downplay this one because I'm not sure why. That's just a bad trade. That's a bad trade right there. We also tried to sell this one off of the 200, which is a bad trade if you would have looked here. It's the 200 on the opposite side on the 5 minute. So the 2 minute on the 5 minutes right here. So it's in between the two. It pops up. I think we did a buy sell just to get out. Like we were gonna buy, but then we decided not to. But that's a buy, set to stop. Do a 2 bar. Get out. and you would have had that. And this tail bar, end of the day. Next one is Walmart. Fab 4. Below. It's not really a narrow one, but you could sell. Take a quick profit right here. It comes back, hits the Fab 4 again, cuts it, sell. You could take a profit there. Comes back at it. And it kept bouncing on it. Sell, sell, because it's bouncing off of this Fab 4. Sell, get out, 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 sell. Now you're in a position of power. This I'd get out and call it 80% 180. Two bar stop. It broke it. I don't know where I was. Let's start from the beginning on this one. May 6th. May 6th. Again, Fab 4. I wouldn't play it because it's not narrow. But if you did play it, you could play the sell here, the sell here, the sell here. All the sells here. It's a position of power. You could definitely play this sell. I wanted to do a bull 180 here. You do get a slight move, We know it doesn't work at the end. $11 we'd be done. Anything interesting till 14? We got in. We got in because we said, hey, this is going up. This is a green bar takeout right here. Green bar takeout. And we ended up getting out here, which is a good trade. And we saw this. And we said, hey, bull 180 off of a 200. We figured it was going to go down. And it went the opposite way. So we got out here. And then it just went up. Now it eventually went down. This would have been a nice sell point. That's an elephant bar. That's bigger than all the other bars. It had, and then this is just chaos at the end of the day. So that was our trade on Merck. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Till next time.